Hey Jeff, do you think they can hear them over there?
No.
I don't think we can have better fucking seats.
I think they're all sleeping still.
These are like right above us.
Far away.
We're only fucking hearing the echo twice as loud coming back.
Ben. Benji. Yeah. Throw the dead ones in the fire. Burn them up.
Face down. Not facing this way.
In case there's a little bit of power still left in it. What is that? The end of the fucking TV show.
You can hear people yelling from across the way.
Really?
Look at this forest catch is on fire. You want to hear them fucking yell?
Here they go. Okay, guys, let's show them who's boss. Hey, Robbie, you want to check the trouble?
Wow, that's
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
one more, honey.
Oh baby! Oh.
That was nice. Hand raid. Yeah, throw them all in, Ben.
Yeah, just in case there's nothing, there's one left in
Benji,
there.
it's shot like right over.
You got another one there?
Well, that one looks big.
It's the fan raid.
Oh, I love the fan raid.
Good shot, right into fucking Joey's eyes.
Oh, right. You get a shot with me, Rob.
Joey, stand back, buddy.
Alan, show us how the Indians do it.
No, don't do it like that, Ian.
Don't do it like the Indians.
Yeah, he's holding a beer and lighting up.
Hold my beer and watch me do this. Go for it.
That's going to be the grand finale early.
Where?
Alan, look at the fire behind you. With.
Benji. Did you get the picture?
Uh-huh.
Benji, you have the fucking detonator?
Wait. Perfect. Ready? Yeah.
The detonator.
You got it?
Is that a joint? Oh shit! I'm gonna go here.
This might be
Ben.
good.
Fucking Christ. Wow. Look at theirs. Those are crap.
How's your Roman candles going over there?
Give us some money.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, this one's huge.
Okay, I'm not standing near the fire. Oh! Holy shit! I'm a villain. Yeah!
Let's see it fucking now.
What's next?
Where's the
That thing was
Holy
crazy.
fuck.
That's just fucking 60.
Alright, went out. Go get it. Oh, yeah.
Watch out, Rob.
They gotta go like 4 of them going together.
Wow.
The echo's the best.
Yeah, they're fucking perfect. smell like napalm in the evening after a couple of drinks.
That's it?
He's fucking doing his heart attack.
Oh.